Hello everyone, I'm Varsha Murdeshwar, a financial planner and a firm believer that personal finance is 10% knowledge and 90% behavior. Today's workshop is about something deeply personal: how to financially adapt to life as new parents. This workshop is a part of Hera's return to work journey. Many of you are back at work or considering it and trying to balance sleep, savings, and spreadsheets all at once. This isn't a lecture on investing. It's a guided walk through everything you should rethink and rebalance now that your family has grown. We'll cover the practical, like budgeting and insurance, and the emotional, like redefining goals as a couple. Let's begin with what hits your bank account the quickest. Yes, you guessed it, newborn expenses. Welcome, little baby, the most wonderful gift to parents, but yes, also the most critical phase financially for new parents. Some of the challenges parents face are as follows: income may resume, but expenses increase drastically. Career re entry often comes with childcare costs, reduced bandwidth for financial planning and investments, and of course, emotional spending patterns. So, what are the common financial pressures post delivery? Recurring expenses like baby food, diapers, doctor visits, and vaccinations. Social events like naming ceremony, birthday, and gifting. Emergency costs, medical complications, and care. Lifestyle inflation, buying latest gadgets, nursery setup, and helper costs. As per social customs, parents might take care of certain expenses. However, if not planned and controlled well, this can get converted to credit card dues and personal loans. A new baby calls for a new budget. Include all baby essentials under dependent expenses. Could be 8 to 15,000 per month. Also estimate the cost of social events for the next 1 year. Reduce personal costs like transportation, eating out, personal accessories, etc. And don't forget the basic 50-30-20 rule. Needs 50%, wants 30%, savings investment 20%. Baby food and hygiene is basic needs, but spending a lot on social functions at the cost of savings is uncalled for. Know your limits. Here we present a realistic first year cost breakdown. Baby food, diapers, doctor visits, vaccinations, house help, nanny, toys, social events can be anywhere ranging from 1.5 to 3 lakhs per annum. As the household expenses rise, it's time to rework the emergency fund. Add all the monthly baby expenses as mentioned before to the overall household expenses to arrive at total monthly outflow. Build an emergency fund of 6 to 9 months of total outflow. This fund is to be maintained in easily accessible savings account or sweep in FD. Any shortfall can be funded by redeeming current investments like mutual funds. An half-yearly review of emergency fund is advisable.